Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 8 book. So as you know, I was teaching you this chapter. Today I will start from here. The pulp has to suffer still more severe treatment before it is ready for paper making. So it is have to be suffer a more treatment. Pulp is called a soft wood, which is having a shapeless mass of material, and it has to suffer a still and more severe treatment. Means very great treatment. Treatment is a manner in which someone behaves towards someone. It is ready for now. It is ready for making. Ready for paper making. It is beaten, washed in an immense trough called a Hollander. So it is beaten means it is struck and washed means it is washed also in an immense. Immense means extremely large, and trough. Trough is called a long narrow which is open container and called a Hollander. Which as its name shows a Dutch invention. So Dutch, the person who is belonging from Netherlands. Invention that who is inventing something. In another trough, sheets of wood pulp may be added to the mixture according to the purpose for which paper is required. So in another trough, sheets of wood pulp is added to the mixture. Wood pulp is added to the mixture. Mixture is a substance which is made by mixing other substances together. It is added to the mixture according to the purpose. According to the purpose for which paper is required, it is mixed. Gradually, as the pulp passes from machine to machine, it becomes finer and finer. So slowly and slowly, as the pulp is passing from machine to machine, it is become finer and finer. Finer means it is becoming high quality. When it is bleached white or colored by dye, whatever tint is required, it has lost all likeness to the dusty bales of brown grass or the sheets of wood pulp that lay in a storage loft at the entrance to the mill. So when it is bleached means when it is made lighter, by chemical process. White or it is being colored by dye. Dye is a natural synthetic, and whatever tint is required. Tint is a variety of color. It lost all likeness, means it lost its resemblance to the dusty bales. Dusty means full of dust, and bales is called a large bundle of brown grass or sheets of wood pulp. Sheets of wood pulp that lay. It is lying means it is put down gently in the storage loft. Storage, the method of storing. Storage loft. And loft, a room that is directly under the roof of the house at the entrance to the mill. Entrance that is opening such a door that allows access to the people. That is entrance to the mill. At last, after almost endless preparation, the pulp is mixed with water to make it flow easily and evenly. So at last, after almost endless preparation, endless means having to have no end. Preparation, the pulp is mixed. The pulp is now mixed with water so that it could flow easily and evenly. It is mixed with different elements. Mix means consisting of different elements so that it flow easily and evenly. Evenly means in an equal number. Then it is feed through the row of fine slits. Feed means it is called feed. Through which row of fine slits. Slits is a long narrow cut. Onto the wide. Wide is more than which is average. Moving wire woven belt of paper making machines, and it is moving. Wire woven. Woven is a weave called wire is weave in a belt of paper making machine. Swiftly the layer of the mixture is carried along a machine by the belt. So swiftly means quickly the layer of the mixture. Layer is a sheet thickness of material, and it is mixture is now carried along the machine of the belt. The water drains of it as it goes. So water, causing the water to run out as it is going and leaving a thin film of paper. So after that it is leaving a thin film. Film is a thin flexible strip of plastic. Okay. Paper. The paper passes beneath a roller bearing. So paper is passing up beneath a roller bearing. Beneath means at a lower level. Okay. At a row, and roller is called a cylinder that rotates about a central axis. And bearing is a standing means it is having a kind of roller. Okay. The stylish name of dandy, which leaves upon it in it the pattern or watermarks. So it is leaving the stylish name. Okay. Dandy is a man which is unduly concerned with looking stylish and fashionable, which leaves upon it in a pattern or a watermark it is leaving. When the paper has been formed into a fairly strong web. When the paper is formed, okay, into a fairly strong web. Fairly means with justice, strong web. Web is a network of fine thread which is created by a spider, and it passes over and under 20 or more huge drying cylinder. So after that it is passing to the drying cylinder. Drying means that makes dry the paper. And how much cylinder is there? 20 or more. The cylinder is called, okay, that is used to dry these sheets. Finally it is pressed between heavy rollers. Means rollers which is pressed and wound off in a great roll of finished paper ready for the printer. So now it is wound, okay, and it is ready for the printer. We should have to watch for many days, and indeed we should have to visit many mills. So we should have to watch it many days how paper is made, and we should have to visit the paper mills also. If we wish to see if we wanted to see the different kind of paper, how it is being made, we might see that paper being coated with china. Coated means providing layer of something. Coated with china clay. China clay is a fine white clay which is used for the manufacturing of art paste to give art paper, such as is used for many colored pictures. Okay. Art is an expression of human creative skills. Okay. And it is used for many colored picture. It is using for many colored picture also. The art paper is used. We might see that it is being pressed between very heavy roller to give a specially smooth surface. So it is being pressed in a heavy roller so that we could get a smooth surface. Smooth means having a regular surface. We might see too how a little difference in the preparing the pulp gives us blotting paper or perhaps brown paper. So little difference if we will do in preparing the pulp, so we will get the blotting paper. Blotting paper means we will get a mark paper, okay, or brown paper. Such is the process of paper making. So this is the process of paper making. We leave the mill thinking that the scrap of paper is not being despised. So we leaving the mill and we thinking that this small piece of paper is not being despised. Feeling contempt for it may have been more than the world, than most of us. Finally, even in the hum of machinery, in the state of great activity of machinery, we cannot help sparing some administration. So, sparing some admiration. Sparing means moderate, and admiration means something which is regarded impressive. For the industry's wasp. Wasp is a kind of a solitary insect with narrow waist. The oldest paper makers in the world. So this is the wasp, and they are the older in paper maker in the world. So that's all.